2 hours max.
Perfect. Man in Tance Fee.
I don't think they know how to spell maintenance.
Good work. We're going to see a falls today in Washington. Me and the wife, in the pouring rain, and we got no idea where we're going. Just paid a bunch of money to park, so hopefully it's a cool falls. But it's supposed to be like a 250 plus feet drop off. Right, Liz?
That we cannot pronounce.
Snoqualmie, something like that. Snoqualmie.
Kinda.
Whoa. That is a giant waterfall. What?
I think this is the smartest idea we've ever had. Coming in the middle of a rainstorm when it starts to snow on you. It's a great choice. It's a great day.
I'm glad you're having fun. Snoqualmie.
Mine.
That's probably not how it's pronounced. I got water on the lens. So I'm assuming we're going to another overlook, or else going to the bottom maybe?
No clue. I just thought I would follow the road.
That's a pretty cool falls. It's gonna be a short video, but I figured I'd show you this. Just a quick little highlight. I hear more falls over here. Yeah, I think there's one right below us somewhere. Oh, that's a better view right here. Wow, that's cool. Think there's any fish down there?
Maybe. Oh, hello. Maybe. They probably all died at the bottom of the falls.
They'll probably die in the falls. Well, that was neat. We got to see the falls. I wonder why they put a little concrete dam above the rocks. Is that what you want to do? Trail, half mile. You're making the turn. Don't feed animals. Bears, deer, mountain lions. And they got a picture of you, Jared. Look. Don't feed the animals. Can't feed any Jared. We have no idea where this trail goes.
You in here.
Okay. And the trail goes to the bottom.
I have no idea.
Let's just send it. All I know is it looks like it's 250 feet of elevation.
Oh, it's gonna be lovely.
Oh yeah. Falls viewing point or river access. Falls viewing point. Park closed, dusk to dawn, no drones. What's this say? Oh, walkway may be slippery. Alright, we're almost there. We're on a walkway now. I don't know if that's really generates power with turbines or what, or maybe it's in here. We're almost to the river level though. You see the falls yet?
No?
No falls? And there it is from the bottom. Sounds cool. We seen it, we conquered it. Now we got to go up half a mile. That was pretty cool though. I'm glad we came down here. I think it's called Snoqualmie Falls. Right, Liz? Oh, you want to try it?
Snoqualmie. Snoqualmie.
If you just say it fast enough, nobody will know you're mispronouncing it. We're heading back now in the rain. Sorry if the camera angles and everything's just been a jumbled mess, but we're getting poured on. So we're heading back now. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll catch you on another Washington, I don't know, trail hiking adventure. Peace.